another update on my potatoes. I just wanted you to see I'm on my way to church. I got to shave and everything, so but I wanted you to check this out. So let's turn the camera around. How do we do that? I have no idea. Yes, they have become very monstrous. Still having issues, and I think I figured out what the browning or this issue is. I don't know if I figured it out for sure, so don't call me on that, but I think I did. So it is getting a little more dominant throughout the plant, but it still is not really stopping the growth. I'm still getting growth, so much so that it fell over in the middle. When we had one windy day, it just fell over. So now that whole middle area is exposed. But the thing that I think I'm having an issue with is actually my my bed is not firing properly. So I think it's sitting in water too long, because this pipe, it's actually not going down. This L should be the lowest point, but it actually cocks up a little bit. And so it's so close though that it's firing sometimes and sometimes it's not. So the plants are sitting in water, and potatoes do not like sitting in water. So I haven't figured out how I'm gonna fix that yet, other than to tighten the pipe up down there. Yeah, I don't know how I'm gonna do this. I think what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna keep playing with it and just keeping the level of the water, because the root system now is really far down in the bed. So I might just go back to having it constantly drain with no standpipe in it, and see if that works. I don't have a heat wave coming right now. The reason why I don't want to do that, obviously, is because I'm afraid that because at this point the plants need the water. So if I take the water away, I don't know if they'll have a bigger issue. I could come out in the morning and just see them all just laying over, and that's huge stress on the plant. So, but you know, I got to figure it out, so as time goes by. So but yeah, I think that's what's happening with the browning. They were sitting in water too long. That's what I think. So let me know what you guys think in the comment section below. I did want to show you guys also that if we move some of these plant out of the way. So here's a main stalk coming out of here, okay? So that is where the seed potato is. And usually when you have potatoes, they'll send off runners, obviously. And so we have one there. And then we already have, look at that, potatoes already growing, okay? So that one there is green. So these are close to the top of the bed. So we already have potatoes. So right away we know this works for growing potatoes. Now how well it works is what we're gonna want to see, right? And I know you guys are as excited as I am to pull these plants out and see what we got. Also, the flowers have not formed yet, which tells me that potatoes are still forming. So we're good. Sometimes potato plants, they'll produce flowers and then start the process of creating potatoes, but in this case we don't have flowers yet and we still have potatoes. So I'm looking forward to seeing what happens with this. So hopefully this quick update is good for you guys. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Give me comments below, questions, suggestions, all below, you guys. I read everybody's comments and I always comment back. Join me on Instagram and all my other channels. Just a little addition, sorry guys. I know I do this a lot, but I did take out the standpipe and everything, so it's draining fully. I'm just gonna let it run and see how it goes over the next few days. So, God bless. Later.